everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing a new sort of video. We're going to be trying out some different types of stationery today. So today we'll be trying out the Crayola Washable Markers. So these are the chunky ones. Let's just show you one of them. So this one, it's this big. And they also have names. So like this one is called green, but in here there's some weird names that you will find in this pack. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing this pack today. And also, after watching this video, we will be doing more videos, so don't leave this channel. Make sure you get tuned in for all the other ones. So let's get started and do some testing. So what we're going to do is I've got a scrapbook here and I'm just going to do it in here. So this is a great video if you don't know if you should buy these pens and you're thinking, should I or should I not? So then these are the best pens to use. If you are thinking to get some felt tips, these are really nice pens to use. So let's just get started with colours. So just saying, these pens aren't Crayola, so you need to check out the other video for these pens, okay? That's secret. So we're getting a bit off subject, so we're gonna do these, okay? So we're gonna go in the colour scheme. So these are the colour schemes. So those are all the colours you get, and this is the 24 pack, I believe, and the price was like something like £9 on Amazon, but you don't need to get like this type. You get Crayola, I don't know other colours, but still, that's what we got at this for Amazon. So we're gonna start doing this. So obviously, if we were to do this slowly, this video would take forever. So we're just gonna speed up for you, and you'll be able to see all the different colours. Out all these colours, please comment in the link below and say which colour is your favourite out of all of these Crayolas. And please say in the comment below if you think it should be grey or grey spelled with an A. Please subscribe to our videos and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching.